Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into. We're going to talk about blogging and why it matters more than ever in today's digital landscape. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. So, what exactly is blogging? Well, it's more than just writing random articles on the internet. Blogging is a powerful tool that allows individuals and businesses to share their thoughts, expertise, and experiences with a global audience. Blogging has come a long way since its inception. From personal online diaries to full-fledged websites, it has evolved into a versatile platform. It's not just about words, it's about multimedia, engagement, and interaction. Now, let's dive into why blogging matters. Firstly, it's a fantastic way to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. When you consistently provide valuable content, you build trust with your audience. Businesses, listen up. Blogging is a cost-effective marketing strategy. It helps you connect with potential customers, boost your SEO, and drive organic traffic to your website. And you know what that means? More sales. Individuals, don't underestimate the power of personal branding through blogging. It's a chance to showcase your expertise, connect with like-minded people, and even open up opportunities you never thought possible. Before we wrap up, let's share some tips for successful blogging. Consistency is key, quality over quantity, and always engage with your audience. Plus, don't forget to have fun along the way. In conclusion, blogging is not just a hobby. It's a strategic move in today's digital world. Whether you're a business looking to grow or an individual looking to make your mark, blogging is your ticket to success. So start today and watch your online presence soar. Thank you for joining us on this blogging journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep blogging and keep succeeding. See you in the next video.